If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game's servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use your game launcher Steam, GOG, or Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix matchmaking issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider restarting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 5. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available patches or updates in your game launcher, as developers often release fixes for known issues, including matchmaking errors. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.